Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Netflix for language learning, full guide step by step clearly. Start by selecting your chosen language on Netflix. Go to your account settings and click on language. Choose your preferred target language for audio and subtitles. Pick a show or movie that interests you. Watch the trailer to get a sense of the content. Start with a simple program for easier comprehension. Turn on subtitles in your target language first. As you watch, follow along with the subtitles. Pause and rewind if you miss any dialogue or phrases. Take notes on new vocabulary or phrases. Use a dictionary app or website to look up unfamiliar words. Repeat dialogue out loud to practice pronunciation. Consider watching episodes multiple times for better understanding. Switch to subtitles in your native language after you feel comfortable. This will help you confirm your understanding of the dialogue. Try watching without subtitles once you're more confident. Engage with content related to your interests to stay motivated. Join a language learning community to discuss what you've watched. Use additional resources to complement your Netflix learning. Consider using Netflix's My List feature to save your favorite shows. Regularly update your list with new programs to keep it fresh. Be patient with your learning process and enjoy the journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.